Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Then Mr. Diki Surahman, a lecturer in English courses and happy friends. Introduce you from group 16, Winda, Yasmin Putri Azhara, and Justin Tarakalista. Will present material about the socio-linguistic competence point of English for learning bilingual role-playing, teacher and student, session 3, and class reflection.
Definition of teacher. What is meant by teacher? In general, the definition of a teacher is a professional educator who educates, teaches students, quizzes, trains, provides assessment, and evaluates students. The definition of a teacher is someone who has devoted himself to teaching a students, educating, directing, and training his students to understand the knowledge he teaches. In this case, the teacher not only teach formal educational, but also other educational and can be a role model for his students. From this explanation, we can understand that the role of the teacher is very important in this process of creating a quality next generation, both intellectually and morally. Teacher's job. A teacher has a responsibility to his student, referring to the understanding of the teacher above. An educator or teacher has the duty and responsibility to teach, educate, train students to become quality individuals, both in terms of intellectual and moral. Some of the main tasks of teacher are as follows: teaching student, educate student, train student, to quit and teach, and give encouragement to students. The role and function of the teacher. Teacher role in education. Teacher have an important role in education after understanding what the duties and responsibilities of a teacher are. Then we will understand what the teacher's role is for his student. The teacher role is as follows. As a teacher, a person who teach a student to his student. As educator, namely people who educate their student to have behavior that is in accordance with the norms that apply in society. As a mentor, namely a person who directs students to stay on the right track according to educational goals. As a motivator, namely a person who provides motivation and enthusiasm for students in learning. As an example, namely someone who sets a good example to his students. As an administrator, the person who records the progress of his students. As an evaluator, a person who evaluates the learning process of his students. As an inspiration, someone who inspires his students so that they have a purpose in the future. And actually there are many roles of a teacher in the world of educational. Not only in teaching students, teachers are also often role models for their students.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friends, my name is Linda. Definition of student. Who are you student? Community members who try to improve their quality by going through and train the education process. Learners in the broad sense are everyone who is related to the lifelong education process, while in the narrow sense are all students who are students at school. According to Express, Professor Rokarandes Safiq Alihan, the notion of student is people who come to an institution to obtain or learn some type of education. According to the Education Law No. 2 years 1000 989, referring to several terms. Students are defined as people who are in a level of education which in various literatures. Students are also referred to as students or student. Student work. 1. Learn always follow the lesson that the teacher gives to students. 2. Come to school on time. Discipline. The sense of responsibility as a student can be shown in a very simple way. Namely, always coming to school on time. 3. Do all the assigned tests. A student who always does the assignments given by their teacher according to a schedule also shows a great sense of responsibility. 4. Obey and respect the teacher. 5. Participate in maintaining the cleanliness and safety of the school. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Yasmin Putri Azhara with name 0501219056. I'm here as a third judge. What does the teacher competence mean? Teacher professional competence is a skill or skill required to have in order to have the teacher. Text complete property. His skills are tied to pretty technical things and will directly relate to teacher performance. There are 4 teacher competence that is in the 2005 chapter of the Republic of Indonesian Law. Teacher competence include personality, competence pedagogical, competence, social competence, and professional competence that will be obtained if attending professional education. Why must a teacher have competence in teaching? Understanding the why and learning difficult of student, capable of developing potential student, mastering the basic principle of education, developing that curriculum that encourages student involvement in learning.